Hello, this is Jay from Cucumber Shop. Today we are looking at a Polish Monastery Cucumber. This is a variety I got from Germany, and it is supposed to be from Poland area, and it is supposed to be striped. So first of all, let's define striped. So other cucumbers, regular cucumbers, are often like this, and I am not seeing striped. So when I think of striped, I think of something a little like this, perhaps, or maybe like that. Now those are some round striped varieties. I have some longer striped varieties of cucumber melons, but maybe a couple bands, but stripes, I don't know. So let's pick one of these, try it out. I'm not especially fond of regular cucumbers normally, but sometimes I'll make exceptions. So we'll see how this does. Let's see here. Looks good. Let's take a slice. Well, got that sappy taste like a regular cucumber has. One of the reasons why I love Caracello and cucumber melons is because they don't have that sappy taste per se. Hey, it kind of looks like the sea in my cucumber shop. Anyways, well, it's all right. Definitely has a cucumber aftertaste. There's a little bit of bitterness. You can see kind of sap coming out along the edges. It's alright. Yeah, I'm thinking if it got too hot, see, I can see the sap coming out along the edges. It's kind of weird. I'm going to taste that. Yep. It's that, not bitter, but it's definitely that sappy stuff that I don't like in regular cucumbers. Anyways, but it's alright. If you like regular cucumbers, this might be one you enjoy. I don't know. I'm not that much for this. So I'll probably be taking them out to make some more room for my little cucamelons I'm trying out this year. Here's my little cucamelons. And here's some more of those apparently striped cucumbers that are definitely not striped. Yeah, so I guess that's the Polish Monastery Cucumber. Kind of interesting there in my garden. And this is Jay from Cucumber Shop, trying out a new Polish Monastery Cucumber that didn't turn out quite as I would have liked, but didn't have stripes, but there you go. Not everything works. I hope that everything works in your garden this season and that you have a wonderful harvest and happy gardening.